Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pharma Dive. This channel is purely for educational purpose and aims to provide valuable information. If you like the content, hit the subscribe button and join the journey. Let's explore, learn and gain together. Today's topic is BMR and BPR in pharmaceutical industry. BMR and BPR are essential GMP documents in the pharmaceutical industry that ensures traceability, consistency, and regulatory compliance. They record all manufacturing and packing activities, helping maintain product quality and ensure patient safety. What is BMR? BMR is a batch manufacturing record, a detailed document recording entire manufacturing process. It is prepared for each batch before production. It captures step-by-step manufacturing activities. It records raw materials, equipments, and process parameters. It includes in-process checks and yield calculation. BMR ensures batch is produced as per approved procedures. Contents of BMR. BMR includes important details such as product name, batch number, and batch size. It contains information about raw materials including their name, code and quantity and records the equipment used during manufacturing. It also provides step-by-step manufacturing instructions and includes in-process controls to monitor the process. Additionally, it shows yield calculation to evaluate the production efficiency and documents any deviations and investigations. Finally, it includes the signature of the operator and supervisor for proper approval and accountability. Importance of BMR. BMR is important because it ensures process consistency during manufacturing and supports regulatory compliance with GMP guidelines. It helps in identifying and managing deviations, OOS and OOT. Additionally, BMR provides complete traceability of the batch history, which is essential for quality control and audit purposes. Now let's see what is BPR. BPR is batch packing record. It is a document recording packaging operations. It records labels, cartons, leaflets and pack details. It ensures correct labeling, packaging and coding and prevents mix-ups and errors during packaging. It includes reconciliation. It focuses on final product presentation. Contents of BPR. BPR includes important details such as batch number and packaging date. It contains information about packaging materials like labels, cartons, and foils, and records line clearance activities before starting the process. It also provides packaging instructions and includes in-process checks such as label verification and coding. Additionally, it records the reconciliation of packing material and includes the signature of personnel for proper authorization and accountability. Importance of BPR. BPR is important because it helps prevent labeling errors and mix-up during packaging. It ensures product identity and integrity, making sure the right product reaches the customer. It is also critical for handling market complaints and product recalls. Additionally, BPR helps in meeting regulatory requirements and maintaining compliance with industry standards. Let's see BMR versus BPR. BMR and BPR are both essential documents in pharmaceutical industry but serve different purposes. BMR is related to the manufacturing stage and focuses on process execution using raw materials with the objective of product information. It ensures quality and consistency and helps to manage risk like process deviations. In contrast, BPR is related to the packaging stage and focuses on product packing using packaging material with the objective of proper product presentation. It ensures safety and correct identification of the product and helps to prevent risks such as labeling mix-ups. What is the connection between BMR and BPR? BMR and BPR work together to ensure the integrity of both the manufacturing process and the final product. BMR provides comprehensive details on how each batch is produced while BPR documents the packaging operations performed. BMR facilitates the identification of potential issues during manufacturing process, while BPR confirms that all packaging activities have been executed correctly before the product is released to the market. BMR and BPR minimize the risk of error, enhances the product consistency, ensure the delivery of safe and effective pharmaceutical products. Together, this integrated system strengthens the quality assurance and maintains audit readiness and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, ultimately safeguarding the patient safety. Regulatory requirements are WHO GMP guidelines, US FDA 21 CFR 211, European Medicine Agency compliance, Schedule M, ICH Q7 and Q10 guidelines. Common error in BMR and BPR include incomplete entries, missing signatures, and incorrect data recording. Issues like overwriting without proper justification and calculation error can also occur. In some cases, deviation records are not properly documented. Handwriting may be unclear, and reconciliation may be poorly done. These types of error often lead to an audit observations and compliance issues. Best practices for BMR and BPR include following Alcoa Plus principles to ensure data integrity and accuracy. Records should be prepared and reviewed through QA, and personnel must be properly trained. Documentation should be done in real time and control copies should be maintained. Critical steps should always be double checked to avoid errors. Additionally, records must be archived securely and regular audits and reviews should be conducted to ensure continuous improvement and compliance. A strong documentation culture helps in ensuring proper compliance of BMR and BPR in pharmaceutical industry. Role of quality assurance in BMR and BPR. QA plays a crucial role in BMR and BPR by approving blank formats and issuing control records. QA reviews the records after completion and uses them as a basis for batch release decisions. It is also responsible for proper archival and retention of documents. Additionally, QA supports investigations such as OOS, OOT, and deviations and plays an important role during regulatory inspections. Overall, QA ensures the reliability of BMR and BPR, helping to maintain patient safety and product quality in the pharmaceutical industry. Retention, archival, and destruction of BMR and BPR is very important point. Regulations require BMR and BPR in pharma to be retained for at least 1 year after expiry or as per local regulatory requirement. Validation related BMR and BPRs are often kept for lifelong. Records must be easily traceable during audits and inspections. BMR and BPR are destroyed by QA using authorized methods such as shredding after the defined retention period. Conclusion: BMR and BPR in pharma are not just documents, but they are legal, quality, and compliance tools that safeguard the patient safety and product integrity. Properly designed, executed, reviewed, and archived batch records demonstrate the control, consistency, and regulatory readiness. Although the pharma industry is moving towards digital systems, the basic principles of BMR and BPR remain the same, which are accuracy, traceability, and compliance. Thank you all for your time and attention. If you like this presentation of BMR and BPR, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel Pharma Dive.